If you want to check the activation date on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, first of all we can open Settings. Over here in Settings you should be able to find battery settings somewhere in here, and then in battery settings, if you go to battery info, you can find date of first use, which can be the good indicator of the activation date of your phone. However, you can also use your Google account to find out when you, of course, started using your phone. So in this case, if you want to check that, you just have to go all the way to the top in order to find the Google option in settings. Once you open Google services, you want to tap on your Google account in here and then choose manage your Google account. After that, we should be able to find security and sign in. So we're gonna go here, then scroll down in this menu in order to find sessions on Android devices. There we go. After that, you want to choose your current session most likely. So it might also be named, of course, as Motorola Edge 70 Fusion. Sometimes it is named, sometimes, unfortunately, it is not. But if you change it, if you try to access this information on this phone, then most likely it's going to be labeled as the current session. Of course, verify yourself, and then you should be able to find the first sign-in date. Let's see once we get into this information. There we go. So in here we have the first sign-in, which in my case checks out. Of course, make sure that you use the correct Google account, because if you use a different account during the activation of the phone, during the first setup, then of course you might see a different date in here. And of course this information is valid if you actually use a Google account on your first day once you got your phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.